Hello guys, today we will try to learn the first step for using CSS. So for using CSS style, we need firstly to create a CSS file for link it with HTML after that. So we need to create a CSS file. Part1 CSS. Here it is. So to link, we need the link tag, then the type is text CSS. The last one is href for the source of CSS file. Good. Here is the page before using the style. We will see together how it becomes. Then we have a tree method for styling, either with the name of the tag or with a class name or with ID. For the name of tag, it like this. Which one? Color, for example, red. Here it is. For the class method, title, for example, we need dot before the name of class, green, for example. Good. And the last method is by ID. Class ID, for example. Good. For example, blue. It is. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Coding is easy. Thanks.